Abusia Ato Forson and excellency the president John Mahama abedi trokes at the Ghana for efa energy sector debt ya omu claim say omu eye free hono no omu di tro at the Ghana for ama medians omu abo omu minimum aha Penyah block media meso say ni die mo obe like video no other ma but subscribe button some back the notification icon no latest update na ba chede wa adwe da ma me e wo comment section so ba so no share for Penyah bia share so and this is fund that they Ghana for 3 mu say Ghana e car eda hono no eye akufo ado ne MP for na be broda bosen go hono. I don't know how they did it, but and the for to me I find ways and means I infiltrate the mind of their gullible followers. E dey so mu 3 mu say e ka bosia bia na say e ka bia da Ghana ye book mu enne no da bosen ye akufo ado MP for na be broda kan go hono. Omo de that ba omo refi say e ka no eye ntoatoaso kakra president bia ba waje ama hama na ngasa di mu ntintiman obegigi bie ana beduru de but omo timia infiltrate omo members to the point say they believe say e ka bia eda hono no eye Kufuor ene eye Kufuor the MPP government ana be bro that person egu say omo beji agu Mahama so say Mahama emeko na eye no so na ye kan o de no lie ye to ba wie ya NDC ewe ni akonwa no anyone say omo astarte obia percentage say or they adibi ba edibegu MP party ni mu ase give them bad name omo alaje say energy sector honum na e ka bi da honum e Canada honum na e $2.5 billion sa aka no mu kire mu say e Kufuor the government and be bro that person go honum Kufuor aban and be bro that person go ho e ma hwa ka say ne okon no ayedene because ohia Ghana from paye any ade so for mom paye because economy na wan inherit no bibia agiegu it Ghana for yamo an paibo mu honhom fam ene hunam fam eni bibia ne say Ghana for eto bibre na etri mo na busia obeka ya enu achi ana me blow flyer flyer no me catch us excellency the president John Mahama together with the energy minister and the finance minister Ato Forson omo aba nan akotua Ghana ye energy sector debt e ka na eda ho no mo no oma clear tie omo say oma clear the energy sector debt to restore the energy confidence and to get world one guarantee oma clear aye ko figures na say $1.47 billion we know it is available on their official website local Ministry of Finance. It is available. Mahama administration pays $1.47 billion to clear energy sector debt and restore World Bank guarantee within first years. Omutu adaka we no 2025 nimu. Ana energy sector debt na eda ho no. Omutu say according to data we no information no dia ma no. Energy sector e ka na da ho. E $1.47 billion. And should this be the case there? Any NDC for mon kanokre and na $5.2 billion na mbeka say that energy sector no ewa efa henefa eno aso ate ayera ma so ate mon kanokre mo nya nokwafo mon kanokre yense ni pedi mu ni pedi mu ase mo ya ade bo mon kanokre yense ni pedi nkwa na mope yen kan de nkire yen tumfu trum Ghana fo ani enye ni munyam na mope mo be ka say Kufuor jaka ene wo energy sector ena mo edum so no enyina mo kan energy sector you didn't specify mo say energy anything that falls under energy no any debt that falls under energy it forms part of this but now mo be je no mo say ma clear off the debt the energy sector debt ma clear so $1.47 billion it the remaining F500 mon kanokre na mama fan kwa chekakra no mo create some impression bi say Kufuor abana beja da bosan to no 2016 Mahama efra konwa so na eka waja to ho no mo energy sector eka na Mahama ja to ho according to Graphic Online Graphic Online Ghana one of our trusted media agencies according to Graphic Online a car na Mahama abeja to honmo at the energy sector $2.2 billion that time you know so the doom so but near jebo said the energy near ni ma dey fa so be esoba Ghana near the doom so mu Bana Ghana bosia energy sector eke da ho enye kakuma. Emma through that no His Excellency answer wha bosia no ye be wura na jima na se ye hu de akubia no. O sa da de friend energy sector levy e buy. Na Mahama eji levy, oji energy levy, levy. Na Mahama eji. Na Mahama eji levy, energy sector levy na His Excellency oji. Ba na ehu be light no de efa. No oji. Emma 26 February 2016 Mahama eka say oh ko no ahwe said na nemasi kwa na Ghana for the buofu no ese energy sector na levy na de aba na abusua Ghana for be gina so to atia wo Mahama ka say oh energy sector levy no it is tough but necessary tough so o ka say Ghana for ntua no tough you know very harsh harsh po just harsh just nwene Ghana for harsh but necessary here sika no. But not these same people were busily making noise. Say Akufo-Addo mu Ghana for or the levy aba. Akufo-Addo mu Ghana for or the betting tax aba. The 3 months were wicked. And this is for the own. Say me address me who I don't know how to address them. These same people, a gang of liars and a gang of scammers. These same people who brought energy sector levy. And Omunim said that levy is very tough for Ghanaians to pay, but they deem it necessary. So they needed the money. It is a kind of Ukraine yentria. Omu here sikano. But these people were condemning someone for introducing another levy. Emma, despite all this, no, Ebusiana energy sector honomono still enema enkoyi. Bosia 2.2 billion na omoja na chiri. 2024 anse never call about to no. Akufo-Addo aban MVP government, they were able to pay some of the energy sector levy. Because they almost buy, you know. But some Mahama Baburagu Hono Modada. It was says you be ye. It almost a kakra kama a cano cost kakra. It almost free sono. Almost yebi. How I say that 1.47 billion Ato Forson mutua na omuye de no. Akufo-Addo government also paid same. Emma no krano. A former finance minister, Adam, eka say Ato Forson dia no hu na woje no. Na me kai wo Akufo-Addo free akonya so this energy sector bosia na mo abeje gu onum ye tua mu 1.4 billion ye tua mu bi ba ya anya hu dide ntia de na mo tua 1.4 a bosia ma na abeje gu onum na ye tua bi no mo ma betua ebi afri mo betua de aka mu ye dede said what I say na say ensem na NDC government na Mahama omoge kan obutwa trotire omu tu Ghana fo nani sabe omu nsie nyina sabe agimi ya adwen ya adwuma ye ntim nya research and go information they can just lie to us publicly and go scot free. There be media. You can't throw me. I will dig deep. I will dig deep to go look for the source. Make go pay information. There be me show. Now this issue na me be near master chira no. No. Ana come me as Ghana for no. Abe classmate John Mahama on Ato Forson.
Dr. Ato Forson or the to just say NDC aban GM. Edano umetua energy sector debt na NPP for ejan ho ekoya no omo 2025 yo me dia fepe umetua ni nyina afiri ho o kire mu se umetua 1.47 billion US dollars 2025 year to the betu dwa no na former finance minister enso so ewo Akufo-Addo aban ebe kire mu se ade amaya ibinsi dane inti anyway 2024 omo ankasa wa ban mu no sa ekaya ye ka ho asem omutua mu 1.46 billion US dollars chisa wutua 1.47 billion US dollars difference pay wum no say and wo chirem say NPP for ye no o man fa meto ma no ankeka enso Dr. Ato Forson yes ade we chire opeso o chire say ade a ibinsi da ewo wiase pa na say NPP for ntumi anye bi da no eno no watumi e de afe ba akopɛ abeye na boma men ko chire kakra na men chire mu de enti asaka na beda ho sa mokaya free 2013 na be si 2016 GM obefa na first media man Ghana so no dum so nko a dum so na ne mote ye computer chi ye adwuma but ya na film condition what film na bobo yi sa e show pa na munyina professors munyina moja adwuma magu abonten onko eye ministries no na obi agirigina abonten no momudi nkomo ifiri say light ne ho na de ye adwuma na omomo ye coasters omo fish proper mom kotugu ye obasa ote ase ebisa akrobeto ono ye victim obeka akyerew ono ananum ton waka ewo eye camera amayate the coasters omo lusu omo eye investment nyina omo mbeje adwuma enya Hong hospitals omo eye omo operation mi hu instances a omo de torchlight ena na eye adwuma krofo omo nkwan eno na ma yi sa delivery we say order ne be ba ye no nya dum so na nka say aduane no wo batumi no aduane ofi a na akoda online ba wo ye se fridge mu a ebe pro fridge na nka sana low current fridge this is super but entumi enkuli the condition eni pay face no ti ade de semu a fridge ro so ebe so bo se fa na wa akiri no etwa no hu ba to boa enkuli at one point when me ka say me fridge say ye tam koma electrician mo hwe ya o se anya hwe condenser ye adwuma bibia ye fine the only yin say power na power no low current chacha bode 2013 to 2016 the FM one dum so kun ye low current kun ye you can imagine the cost of dum so and no na GM the first time na buy no almost say very careless no concern sign contract out of desperation any frustration on concern sign contract na contract no concern sign na ho ka no omu ko no omu amfa ka na anko omu ja ka no ho your friend legacy debt tenu na Akufo Addo obe inherited from GM the first time eno na Akufo Addo obe fire we japade ejama no ebi no enu nti no no so buy the first he focus cry dum so e kwa fa so be clear dum so and obo no homodin 2017 when this dum so ma my Ghana opia nya ahoto nti no ono so before so be end dum so no so invest wo be energy sector ho o ye no man tisika ne bi ko di ho ti be peak kana na da ho no so ne kana blow up nti no omu kirem say by 2020 na be kana da pa no kire say no man nya hu bibia nka ye be ye yikura ye be ye we say ye be lusu power ne energy ani ye nya ni nyina na ye be lusu in fact contract bi wo ko man tumi antuamu ehu sika ekoye eka na da ho no mu a mehu ehu documentary read bia tie kapa de ebiba energy sector ho no eno no mo sha so mu tuatua a 2024 omutua mu 1.46 billion US dollars nti new government yi buy no eno no so afi wo betua eka ne bi 1.47 billion US dollars eno na Dr. Ato Forson aye no ho public relations officer or ye adwuma mu bia hu se de NDC aban o maye bi nsi da no no obo hu dawuro to obebo ye na na se NPP fo almost so dimire ka ba bonten se ye bia ya nka kora ma obi ante but me blemu NDC fo na wo ko post na Dr. Ato Forson na sepa na ko read comment na so mu see the former president Nana Akufo Addo atamono kire se obi tumi bisa se 8 years Nana Akufo Addo ba ban no mu nyina no de pa no tumi ye de bo my Ghana kire se we mu 1 year no ekra so won fa so chen ni 8 years no obi tumi gina se de we mu ye ne de on ba ya ama NPP for be power pa na di 41 years koniko read comment Facebook Dr. Ato Forson the post away na say but me blame omo the di kind de me blame omo no NPP for so me be communicate omo achievement pa de enke ne nkomo de ba ko nkomba ko among themselves ombaye Alan Baumi omo fi Alan Baumi no mabaye Ken Baumi are connected to mo de ba ko di omo ho atamwa na enuemo o maye twamu no na nunu momu na nasa niema o maye ankometumi abon da wura magana fo ate na nipa nhunu de o maye no eno de o mo de akoto baby kura because ayese Ghana ni etu kwa akwa aburuchiri na wakwatena classroom ye bisa question no tell no onka broni nim kitwa bi obeka ma obi ehun se ye NDC fo ayese mrofo kitwa bi no obaye no obe communicate am magnify no ama na ye kakraka as a microscope or the shade na ye ne kakraka na say obia hu so oye ade but ade no oye no emhwe mu no na ye kete enso ono ankasa ne policies ankasa ene social interventions ankasa no oni bi to otumi ye bibi keto bi also otumi kirem na nipa feel say oye adwuma ankasa wo de wa ankasa bisa ho say from Prof Mills edibesi JM edibesi the second term JME can social policy another intervention another policy affect nationwide nipa bebre wo de kaba akokora na menwe wontumi nya bibia sa but na nakufo do o solve dum so maamo enso na mo se mo nim hwe ya waye free senior high school on na de baaye ama mo nyina wo type ko ebi ko anu tikura na atumi ko school sabe o ma me no papa ebi ekura se be no mote school fees nko munya bi enso watumi akọ school tumi egina social media type but wontumi mfa eye enidie any gratitude manipa na obo a wo no anti no de me kire mu ne se o mo na nkata o mo ne hwe de mamo to munya kitu ebi o so o mo ma ne ye na ye kakraka no ma kire mu a ena mo so amutumi ya no ma no mutumi ma hu dawuro mo ko mo de ba ko mum ba mo hu dawuro ema ganafo ehu de maye ka mu ja no ho no me ne MPP fo anka me de sa eye document information ni nyina ba abonten ni aya analysis no ene de mo de piece o nyina mo nya analysis ni kwan ya mo fa so mutu a payment structure mo de ni nyina ba abonten ni ahwe obi a performance but MPP fo kom de ba ko ntino sade ya mo party no anata mo amoye mo party no sa na Ghana for so ebehu ntino se mo ankasa mo ntrase na mo nka mo mom na mo communicate nya party ni ye emma ordinary Ghanaian na ono no oye floating voter baby of free se hoko ye no abato ama no entumi make right decision na za mo maka mo de asa mo de ako na de onya hwe no be fa bibi kituwa bi no wa be kire se no na wa ya save Ghana na so wa save obi a monto aso some mo nya party no whiskey de me amete America say mo ba ban mo amenya hwe ni me hwe ni just some policies it make more sense to me than nkokon ketenkete than 24-hour economy a obi anim say scam no engine mami di mo achi na eniema make sense na nakufo aro anya hwe ama me ma me papa mo kokoko kura na JM ene Mills ema ni wuye no omo for agric officers edi konkurase ekodua ma ekuafo no amoma san nya omo farms back maintain so mo ka ho asem kura wo media be bia enso me parents beneficiary enso be bia no ho mo boss ade we so NBB for omo party no omo throw position a chetu because so mo enka omo mum nkasa ena omo kontin tokwa no mum no ede omo beba power.
Yeah, a quick one. Now, this is not politics. This one we are going to learn. Now, when you check up these two reports, according to our finance minister, Honorable Ato Forson, he said they have made a payment of $1.4 billion of the debt, energy sector debt. You get it? Now, pay attention. When you check here, Dr. Amin Anta, the former finance minister, he has stated that in 2024, the Elsewhere administration paid $1.4 billion of the energy sector debt without making noise. Now, why didn't they? Why is it that it's not necessary to make noise about this? This is where I said we are going to learn. It is education. Now, when you check this, some are ignorantly hyping and say Mahama should come for a third term because of this. But because of ignorance, they are not aware that as of 2017, Akufo-Addo government started paying not less than $1 billion of the energy sector debt. You see, so learn. It is like owing someone. You cannot pay the person all. So annually, you pay the person bit by bit. So even if it happened that it is CPP or a Yegum that is in power, certainly you have to pay something. The way they are hyping this thing that Mahama should go for third term because of this similar payment that MPP have been making. Remember, Mahama introduced Dumso levy to accumulate this money. Mahama increased our electricity by 28% before they could accumulate this money. You get it? So if they had wanted to make this type of noise or call for his third term because of this. They should have made a payment of $2 to $3 billion. That is where you can tell Ghanaians that Akufo-Addo was paying 1 billion, 1.4 billion, 1.5 billion. But Mahama just paid 2 billion to 3 billion. So let's give him a third term. That one, it will make a little bit of sense. But you are paying the same amount that Akufo-Addo was paying. You are clapping hands, especially those so-called neutrals. That, hey, this has never happened before. The ignorance is becoming too much in the country. Too much ignorance.
Chira wa adwe ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.